Okay, and we were answering our last question on winter, and that was, what does the weatherman say? And I see over here, it says the weatherman says it will be cold and icy. Icy was one of the words that we had on our special board. Let's see it. Cold and icy. See that word? Now, icy was one of the words we had on our special board over here. Do you remember what icy means? You told me last time. It's this word. Good. What does it mean, icy? What does it mean?
You're a big marker last.
Oh, that's okay. I'll get it after. What does it mean that it was cold and icy? What did icy mean? This is, yeah, that one says icy. Very good.
Well, over here.
Yeah, over there it said icy.
No, well, over here. Look.
And icy.
I found it.
Yeah, you found the marker. Okay, great. Okay, I think we're going to continue, and now it is going to be your turn. Are you ready? So, for you, I printed a special book that's also about the weather, and while you're reading your part, you're going to again keep in mind, we're going to be looking out for spring and fall, okay? So we're looking out for the three questions to answer about spring and fall. Let's go over, what were the three questions? You tell me this time. What do I?
Where?
What do I? Do, and what does the?
Weatherman.
Very good. Are you ready to read? So, your book, I'm going to just open up so that you can see it on the screen too, but your book I have for you printed out right here. Ready? Okay, so I'm going to read this one. You're going to read this one, okay? The winter is cold, because we already did winter, right? Cold. Cold, because we're going to start here. Cold. We should start all the way from the beginning?
Yeah.
Okay. The summer is hot. Hot, hot, hot. The sun shines. I swim. I wear a sun hat. I wear light clothes. Remember you told me about light clothes? The winter is cold. Cold, cold, cold. It snows. I play in the snow. I wear a coat. Ready? Your turn. Let's go.
The
Good.
winter.
That one doesn't say winter. I read winter. We're up to this one. Can you start sounding it out? What put the other?
Spring.
The spring. Very good.
It
It
is
The spring is
cool.
What was that?
Cool.
Cool. The spring is cool. Now read it again. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. No, this part. Sorry.
Cool. Cool. Cool.
Very good. The spring is cool. Cool, cool, cool. Good. What does that say?
Rains.
Very good. It rains. What do? I
Stay down.
I stay. And that's a good guess. I think you guessed that, right? Let's read it from the word. I put. Good. You got the first start.
Play.
Plant. Almost. Plant. I plant. Why is it good to plant when it rains?
Because then we don't need to water it.
Very good. And let's see what she wears. Ready? Good. Let's look here. And what does this last word say?
What? Sweater.
A sweater. Very good. I wear a sweater. Now let's go back, and I'm going to give you your own organizer over here. Where's your chart? Here it is. And we're going to answer the questions here. This was spring. Do you remember? You read, what do I wear? What do I wear in the spring? Can you tell me now? What did you just read about? I wear a sweater. Now, if you can't write the word sweater, because that's a little long, do you want to just draw a picture of a sweater right here?
Right.
Do you want to try to write it? You can try to write it.
Says?
Yeah, that says I wear, and you're going to write sweater.
Copy. Not copy.
Here. Oh, you're going to copy from the text. Very good. That's this word. Sweater.
Oh, I was going to copy up here.
Oh, that says I wear. We're looking for sweater. Good job.
Where?
This one, sweater. Very good writing. Oh, that is neat. Sweater. Very good. What letter were you looking for?
This says
This so far it says sweat. Now you have to write ter. Sweater. What sound is t?
Moeco.
Oh, because you're following that. Good. Yeah, you're right. You're following it.
Play.
Sweater. Okay, that's good. Perfect. Now let's continue. The next question was,
This is
yeah, good job. You just wrote it. I do. What do you do in the spring? What did she say she did? Do you remember this word?
No, we also need to do this.
You did that. That's good. That's good enough. What's this one?
E. E.
Mm-hmm.
And what else?
Super, you finished the word. Good job. Okay, the next question on our chart was I do. What did she say she likes to do in the spring? Do you remember over here? You want to reread it? Okay, let's look over here.
I don't remember.
Okay, you can just read it and then you can draw a picture of it. What does it say here? I? Mm-hmm. Good. What word is that? I plant. Very good. What does she do? She says, I plant. So you can either draw a picture of planting or you can write it. Oh, I think that's very cute. That's a picture of a planter, right?
No, it's rain coming down to the plant.
Very good. And now the last one, I want you to write it. It says, the weatherman says. What did you say the weather was? You said it 3 times. You said the spring is cool. And what did you say? Cool.
Cool, cool, cool.
Very good. So what does the weatherman say in spring? It is?
Cool.
Cool. Can we write that? What does it start with? Very good. A C. Now what makes that ooh sound? 2 letters.
Ooh.
Good. What's that ooh? I hear 2 letters there. Very good. 2 O's. And what does it end with? Cool. Super. And you wrote that perfect. Okay. Oh, you wrote that exclamation mark. Very good. And the last one. Ready for the last one? So far we did summer, winter, spring. What's left?
Winter.
We did winter, summer, winter, spring.
Fall.
Fall. Super.
Only fall?
Only fall, and then that's it. Good job. Ready? You want to read from? You're going to read from here. The
fall.
Very good.
Cool, cool, cool.
That was the spring. Let's read about what happens in the fall. The fall is, what is this letter?
Hot, hot,
You're guessing. I want you to try to sound it. What?
What?
Wait, sound it out. Sound it out.
Windy.
Windy. Very good. Fall is windy. And no, we're not writing it. We're just reading.
Windy. Windy. Windy.
Good.
Windy.
Wind.
There's 2 pages.
This is part of this one. Good. The wind. What does it say?
Blows.
Good. What does you do? What do I do? Something. Wait, we missed out this word. I
play in.
Good. The. Careful. It's an L. Leave. Good. Up to that last sound. Leave. It's a V.
Leave.
Good. What is that? What word is that?
Leave.
Leaves. I play in the leaves. And the last line. It's an R. Where? Good.
A sweater.
That was a guess. Let's do this in pieces. Do this half. Good, Jack. Now the second half. Jack-et. What word is that?
Jacket.
Say it faster.
Jacket.
Jacket. Very good. I wear a jacket. Now let's fill this out in fall. Fall. My question is here is what do I wear? You just told me. I wear a
Jacket.
good. You want to make a picture of a jacket for me?
I made a picture of her wearing
Her wearing. Very good. I do. What does she say she likes to do? She plays. Where does she play? In the
leaves.
leaves. Can you make a picture of a leaf or playing in the leaves?
We have 8 more.
Good job. And now let's do the last one. The weatherman
This is the
says. What did the weatherman say? What type of weather is it? Very? What was it?
Windy.
Windy, windy, windy. Very good. Okay, you are done. This is how you fill out your chart. So you just read and you kept in mind what you were reading and you filled out a chart. Super. Okay, the last thing we're going to do.
How do I draw that?
Yeah, the last thing we're going to do is a fun little activity with thumbs up and thumbs down. You know how to do thumbs up, thumbs down? This means thumbs up means yes. Thumbs down means
No.
no. So I'm going to open up my chart right up over here. And I'm going to ask you some questions. You're going to tell me yes or no. I'm going to point. So we're going to talk about the seasons and things that you do or wear in the seasons. I wear a coat in the summer. Yes or no? Thumbs up, thumbs down. I wear a coat in the summer. No, it's too hot. Let's try another one. I wear a sunglasses in the winter. No, I don't need sunglasses in the winter. Good job. If you want to, you could, but you don't need to. Good. I plant in the winter. Plant. No, very good.
Yeah.
You
In
could.
the winter it rains.
In the winter it rains, you're right. Good point. But in the winter it rains too much for planting. It will kill all our leaves. When do we plant? Do you remember? It rains a little bit. When does it rain a little bit? Do you remember? In the spring. Very good. One more. In the spring, I play in the leaves. I play in the leaves? Yeah. What leaves are falling on the ground?
No.
No. When do we play in the leaves? In the fall. Very good. Let's do some about the weatherman says. The weatherman says it is...
Like this.
Everything was no? Should we do some yeses? Let's see. I'm going to mix you up. The weatherman says is that it is hot in the winter. Hot in the winter. No. The weatherman says it is icy in the winter. Icy. Yes, good job. Let's use some of our vocab words that are on our board. The weatherman says it is cool in the spring. Cool. Yes, very good. You remember what cool means. And the weatherman says there are showers in the spring. Showers. Yes, a little bit of rain. Amazing. I'm going to leave you off with a game that you can do on your own. This is a word search with some rain, with some weather. Let me show you the word search up on here. I'm going to show you how to do it. And you can do this on your own time. Weather word search. So you're going to find these are words that relate to weather. I see sunny, rain, clouds, storm, hail. You want to read this one? Let's read this one. This is a good one for you.
Fog.
Fog. Very good reading. Thund. Read this one. This is a good one for you.
Wind.
Wind. Very good. And the last one is tornado. So you're going to look through here. You know how to do a word search, right? You look for the letters and you circle the word that you find. This will help you look at all your letters. Nakamgina, you did amazing today. Great job. And you're going to find it. Yes, very good.
And you're going to see.
And I'm going to see it. Very good. Next time you're going to show me that you did it. Amazing. We're going to stop now. And you did super job.